Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your Transport Pass selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's go to Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Then simply select Add to Wallet. Go back, and in the end let's select Gift Card. Similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.